Guys, welcome back. Today it's a little different. I'm outside the kitchen. I'm here at Portillos. It's a Chicago staple. If you're from the area, you definitely know it. But if you're not, I'm gonna take you inside. We're gonna get a sneak peek behind the scenes at everything that they're making inside, all the fresh food, and the great Portillos experience. Let's go check it out.
Hello.
Hi, how's it going?
You're doing well.
Donny, nice to meet you.
I'm Trin. Hey, we're excited to have you. We're excited to show you around Portillos today.
I'm excited to be here. What's the plan for today?
Well, guess what? We're going to spend some time and I'm going to show you our famous cakes. Then we're going to go over and look at one of our amazing burgers that we have. We have some of the best. And then you're going to have an opportunity to try one of our chopped salads, and then you get to make it as well.
Ooh, all right, that sounds great. Let's do it.
All right, let's go. Everyone loves Portillo's chocolate cake, the cake shake. Very popular item. So now we're going to have an opportunity to go down and see how that comes to life. We bake our cakes daily fresh, and again, that is something that we're definitely known for. So you want to go check it out?
Yeah, I do, because I'm excited about this one. The cake and the cake shake is one of my favorite things, one of my guilty pleasures. So I want to go see how this is made. So maybe I can take it home with me.
All right, let's make it happen. Hello, hello.
We're going deep inside for this.
Oh, deep. Watch your step.
Wow, this place is huge.
I tell you guys, it's a little bit of a maze. You are in the area where we make our famous chocolate cakes. And so every day we make them fresh for our guests. What you're gonna notice, these are some of the cakes that we have for guests to buy. But over here is where the magic happens. And so we go through a process. We make sure that we have enough cakes on hand for anyone that wants them in the morning. So,
now, how many cakes do you guys make a day?
It actually kind of depends. It depends on the volume, but man, we can go through as many as 50 to 100 cakes sometimes. It just depends.
Wow, 50 to 100 cakes a day? That's a lot of cake.
That's a lot.
That's a lot of cake. Now, it's chocolate only? Is it just one
chocolate
flavor?
Only, but sometimes we do have seasonal items. And so those seasonal items, you know, we might have lemon cake. Lemon cake is another one of our favorite cakes that we have. So people love that one as well.
I've never tried that one. I might have to add that to the list. But chocolate, that's my favorite kind of cake, so it doesn't really matter.
And this is actually what we make our chocolate cake shake with as well. So you get one of these and you put it in the cake shake, man, it is phenomenal. Ooh.
Now, we're going to see how the cakes are made, but unfortunately for you guys at home, we can't show all of it because there's a bit of a secret. There's a process that goes on.
You know, hey, we got to keep the Portillo's secrets now. This is one of the original items that Dick Portillo had on the menu, so it's come to life.
And the recipe hasn't changed?
Has not changed.
Look at that, there you go. That's how you know it's good. If it's been around since what, the 60s?
Yes.
If it's been around that long, it's a good cake. All right, Trent, this was great. I love seeing the inside, I love seeing how the sausage is made, or in this case, how the cakes are made. Now, I think we have to go bake these cakes, because I'm starving, I want to try these. Let's go put them in the oven.
You know what, let's head up.
Let's do it.
All right, their highest that they would bake is 120, so if you need to edit that.
That's a lot, yeah.
As I did said, 50.
Wow.
So here we have all the cakes that we're going to get made today. And so she's going to go ahead and we're going to get some put into the oven so you can see the finished product. All right, so the cakes are in the oven. We're going to come back in about 35 minutes and we're going to have an opportunity to pull them out, see how they look, and get one frosted, and then you get to try it.
That sounds great. What's next?
All right, you know what? Let's go and check out our burgers. We have some of the best burgers ever, and so I think it's time that we go and check out one.
Let's do it.
All right. So now we're on our line, right? And this is where the Portillo's magic happens. Here we're bringing in the orders for the guests when they're coming in. Giving them the show is what we call it. Notice here we have our beef station. Man, this is where the most amazing beef sandwiches happen. We move down, we're gonna have where we do our hot dogs, which is, if you haven't had a great Chicago hot dog, you have to definitely try one here at Portillo's. This is the spot to get one. This is the spot to get one. We are phenomenal when it comes to that. Fresh ingredients. Yep. We are really, really big on just making sure we give guests quality over anything else. So, yeah.
Love that. Yeah, I see all the ingredients you guys have cut fresh. You have quite the setup, quite the line here. I'm sure you guys move tons of volume.
Oh man, this is, I tell you what, people love Portillo's, and the amount of volume that we have, it just shows that our guests love what we do. This is our broiler station, and what's gonna happen here is we're gonna make a burger today. A lot of people know us for Italian beefs, and a lot of people know us for hot dogs, but man, I will tell you, our burgers are second to none. They are phenomenal. We're gonna have an opportunity to kind of dive in and make one of them.
Perfect. I've never had a Portillo's burger, so this is the first. Oh man,
you're in for a treat. So I'm definitely excited to have an opportunity to show you how they're made.
Oh, let's get it. Let's get it going. Starts with the bread. Now, where's the bread coming from here?
Alpha. The Italian loaves that we get,
Yep.
that's from Toronto.
That's from Toronto.
So this is from Alpha.
So we have the patty that goes under the broiler.
Yep.
And
So
it's a fresh patty. That's a pretty quick way of doing it too, because you're not putting it on a flat top. You just get it right under the heat. You got
Absolutely.
a broiler going down, broiler going up. I like that
Flame
method.
grill, I mean,
Flame
and that's
grill.
what makes our burgers phenomenal. The magic touch though is you start to look at the ingredients, how fresh they look as she's building that burger.
Oh yeah, that's got the works on it too. You have lettuce, tomatoes, the
yes.
pickles. Perfect. And a little bit of American cheese I see there?
Yes, you do.
Great.
So she's making you a cheeseburger. So you have opportunity, you can do a bacon burger, you can do a cheeseburger, you know, so we have doubles as well. Man, if you're really hungry, a double is the way to go.
All right.
We want to get that excess juice off of that burger as well. So what you'll see her do when she pulls it out, she's going to flip it a couple times to make sure that we do not make that burger soggy.
Perfect. I like that. It's a nice touch right there. You're
yes,
really
indeed.
taking attention to detail. I like that's what I like to
absolutely.
see. And just like that, we have a beautiful burger. Look at that char on there.
So then what she's going to do when she pulls that out, the magic touch of our burgers, as you're going to notice, she's going to give it 2 shakes of salt.
Okay.
And right there, it just makes a very, very big difference. If that salt is missing, that burger is not the same.
You need the seasoning right there. 2 shakes of salt. We got the works on there. We got the cheese. And that was what? Not even 5 minutes.
Not
Look at
even.
that speed.
Not even.
Boom.
Now, I guess it's time for you to try it.
I guess that's what's next. Let's go.
Yes, indeed.
First ever Portillo's hamburger. Okay, and I got to see how it's made right in front of my eyes. Does not get fresher than this. 30
But
seconds.
look at that. When you open the box, look at the build on that burger and how amazing it looks.
The volume. That's what you need right there in a good burger. You got a good build, nice soft bun, smells amazing. Here we go.
There we go. Hey,
Oh yeah.
told you Portillo's has one of the best burgers, guys.
I had no idea you guys even made burgers.
Hey,
let
now
alone
you do.
This good.
So now you can add it to one of your favorite burgers on the list.
I gotta go in for another bite. I'm going 2 bites. The freshness of the burger on point. All the ingredients on there are great. The cheese is melted. It's nice and juicy still. You can taste that char from the broiler. It's a fantastic burger.
All right,
It's a
I'm glad you
fantastic
enjoyed.
burger.
We are known for our chopped salads as well. As you can tell, Portillo's has all these amazing items. So we're gonna head over and we're gonna make a brand new salad that we've added to the menu, which is our spicy chopped salad.
Sounds amazing.
All right, let's do it. It's just a salad bowl, that's what we call it. But this is where all of our chopped salads are made. So today, as I mentioned, we have a spicy chop and you're gonna have opportunity to make it. You're gonna notice all the ingredients again, we call it out, it's fresh. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do 3 heaping scoops of that lettuce right there.
Okay, starting with 3 scoops of lettuce here.
Yes, 3
And
heaping.
what's the salad mix?
Oh, so that is a mix of romaine and iceberg. It's
Romaine?
like a chopped mix. You're gonna do 1 scoop of the gorgonzola.
A little of the gorgonzola. And I can't.
Right here.
Okay,
There we go.
Right in front of my eyes.
Man, that's the good. You want a good scoop of
1
that.
scoop of that.
Okay.
Beautiful.
The
Okay.
next thing, we got some bacon here. You're gonna take 1 scoop of that bacon.
I love bacon in this. I
Man.
love bacon. Can I do 1.5? I'm gonna do 1.5.
Okay.
1. I did a little extra.
Yeah, a
for
little
myself
extra.
there.
All right. Okay. So
Okay.
next, we're gonna take some of the cabbage. So you have the cabbage right
Yep.
here.
Oh yeah, that's nice color on this.
Oh,
little
nice color on that cabbage.
purple pops right there. Beautiful.
All right. Now we want to take a level scoop of those tomatoes.
Okay. Freshly chopped. You can tell just
Yes,
today
indeed.
these were cut.
Yes, indeed.
Beautiful tomatoes.
1 level scoop of that onion.
Okay, a little green onion going in there.
Yes.
This is quite the salad. You
Man,
got a lot,
I'm telling you,
lot
there's a
going
lot
on
of
in
ingredients
here.
right here.
That's good.
Now, this is where we're gonna add our pasta, which is better known as tabetti. So we're gonna go ahead and put some of that in there.
Okay.
If you're in Chicago, you already know what jardinere is, and so we're gonna do 1 scoop of that as
Okay,
well.
now this is the real Chicago
Oh,
staple.
man, that
Yeah,
is
this
the best.
Okay, so the spicy jar, I'm gonna just, so I don't drip any oil.
Okay,
I
1
like-
level.
I'm gonna do a little, I'm doing a little extra because I love the spice. I love
All right,
jardinere in
sounds
there.
like a plan. So man, you got everything in your bowl. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna mix it up for us.
All right,
So you
just-
get to do a little mix. You're gonna take that 2 spoons.
It's my favorite part of making a salad right here. Is giving it a little
Oh
toss here.
man, you got
Seeing
the
it all
magic
come
touch.
together. Yeah.
Yes.
There it is.
The goal is that the guests get a bite of all ingredients in every spoonful of that salad.
All right.
That looks pretty amazing.
This looks heaping and amazing. I spilled a little bit. Don't tell anyone I did a little spill, but I'll clean it up. Don't worry. I always
It's
clean up
all
my mess.
good. So now the next topping on this salad that you're gonna have, you need a spicy chicken breast, guys.
Ooh.
Man, so
That's what we got right here.
that's what we got right here for you.
Perfect. Okay. We're going,
Yes.
and then we're going across.
Man, look at that. That is awesome. Now you're gonna take that and you're gonna put that on that salad.
Whoa. Look at that.
So man, again, that is that quality, that's goodness right there. That's
That is.
goodness in a bowl.
Yeah, yeah.
But you know what you gotta do?
I think I gotta try it.
I think you
I
gotta try it.
Let me get a little chicken in there, a little spice, a little jar, a little bit of everything.
Man, a little bit of all those toppings.
One bite here. Oh,
What do you think?
doesn't need any dressing. That's perfect the way it is. You get the spice. Now I'm getting a lot more spice. The jar is great. The chicken's crispy, piping hot.
Yeah?
That's a great salad.
Oh man,
That's an
awesome,
incredible
awesome.
salad.
Hey, you did a great job making that salad as well, so I'm just saying.
I made a bit of a mess, but
Oh, that's all
give me a
good.
few times. I think I can get it down. I like it.
Awesome.
This salad's amazing, but as I look around, the decor I think is even more stunning. Really, when you walk in, I've never been to a Portillo's. I've only had it when it comes to the office or catered. This feel is something very unique. What's like the design? What's the reason, that thought process behind this? It feels like a movie set.
So a couple things, you know, Dick Portillo had a lot of different ideas. When you think about, there's a different amount of restaurants in our system, and they all look pretty different. This would be more of our prohibition design. What you're going to notice, we're sitting underneath the stars, which is pretty cool. Our original doghouse was, you know, it was in a trailer, and so there was no dining room or anything like that, which we call this the patio, because during that time frame, people didn't have a dining room to sit in. They sat on the patio underneath the stars.
Wow.
The cool thing is Dick Portillo really wanted to appeal to all five senses when it came to our restaurants. And so as the guests walk through the doors, you know, what do they see? How does it feel? What do they smell? You know, what do they hear? And then when they sit down and eat, how does that food taste? So that was really the, you know, what he had in mind when he came up with Portillo's.
Well, he did a great job, because the ambiance here is it's like nothing I've seen before. It really grabs you and makes you want to stay and makes you feel like you're in a different world. So I love it.
Now, you've had a burger, got you an amazing salad. It's time to have some dessert now, right?
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and check on that cake.
Let's do it. I'm excited for the cake.
So this is the finished product. You had the opportunity to see them come out of the oven. Man, they smell amazing, right?
It smells incredible
All
right
right,
now.
so-
I just want to eat a piece of cake.
Well, guess what? I can't keep you waiting. You ready to go try
Is
it?
it time for the cake?
It's time for the cake.
Yes.
All right, are you ready?
Yeah, oh yeah.
You've been waiting
ready
for this,
I've been
right?
ready since we
I
put them
know.
in the oven. I've been waiting for
Man,
this.
I still smell the cake, so now you got to tell us how you like that.
This is incredible. I'm excited for this. I tell you what, it's not every day you get to make your cake and eat it too. So it's
I like
it's
yeah,
good.
that
It's
is-
good right there. I'm getting the best of everything.
Yes,
oh,
you are.
Look how moist it is. You can tell it's just falling apart.
All right, here's that first bite.
That's the bite.
What do you think? What
I mean, that's
is it the best?
incredible.
Yes.
That is so moist, so good, so rich, so chocolatey. I'm going in for one more.
Now you see why people
Oh, yeah.
love
Oh.
our chocolate cake, man. And imagine putting that in a shake, right? Imagine putting that in a shake and getting the best of both worlds as well. So,
That's one of the best chocolate cakes I've ever had, right here at Portillo's. Trem, thank you so much for showing me a sneak peek behind the scenes here. It's been amazing, from the decor, the burger, the salad, and of course, the chocolate cake. I had a great time.
Chef Donny, we were so excited you had a chance to spend some time with us today. I'm glad you enjoyed it all.
Thank you. And if you're ever in Chicago, make sure you stop by Portillo's. You're not going to want to miss this. It was incredible.
Thank you.
See you guys.
Bye, guys.